This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Saturn S series. This one happens to be a Gen 2 model in 1998. This procedure should pertain to the Gen 2 and Gen 3. And what we're doing today is we are removing the trunk lock cylinder. First thing we're going to do is to remove the number plate lights. Just see this little tang right there, just push that towards the center, and then the piece will come down, and now we can remove the light from this housing. We need to do that to both those now. Next thing we need to do is to remove these two T15 screws that are on both sides of the trunk lid. There are two on each side, and we need to remove those now. Next, we need to remove both of these T30 bolts that go through this cover. Now, after we get those screws out of there, what we need to do is lift up on the corner, this corner, the other corner, just like that. Do you see some space underneath there? Now just push it forward or bump it forward. Okay, now it's free. At this point right here, you can just feed the lights out and remove that panel. Next thing we're going to do is go inside the trunk, and you'll see this retainer on the activating rod from the latch mechanism. And what we need to do is just push it sideways like that, so we can disconnect the arm from the lock cylinder. Right there, she's free. Next thing we need to do is to remove this clip right here that secures the lock cylinder to the trunk lid. We'll just go up there with our vice grips. And there's the clip. And there should be nothing holding the lock cylinder in now. And we should just be able to just pull the lock cylinder right out of the trunk. Just like that. And that's all there is to removing a trunk lock cylinder on a Saturn S series.